When it comes to alcohol and drugs, it is important to get the facts straight. So here are some facts about the risks of these substances. Alcohol is a depressant that affects pretty much every part of your body. It makes you unable to think clearly and puts you at risk to do things that are reckless and unsafe and could even kill you. Each year, approximately 5,000 people under the age of 21 die as a result of drinking. These deaths include about 1,900 deaths from car accidents, 1,600 from homicides, 300 from suicides, and hundreds of others from accidents like falls, burns, and drowning. Alcohol can damage your brain, stomach, liver, kidneys, and muscles. As a teenager, your body is still developing, so damage done now could affect your body for the rest of your life. Marijuana. Marijuana can cause impaired coordination, difficulty with thinking and problem solving, and can alter the way you learn and memorize, ultimately impacting your concentration and learning capability. There is also an association between regular marijuana use and mental illnesses, specifically schizophrenia, with rates increased for those who start young. In addition to this, marijuana smoke is an irritant to the lungs, and frequent marijuana smokers can develop many of the same respiratory problems as tobacco smokers, such as daily cough, infections, and cancer. Cocaine is a powerful stimulant. It causes your blood vessels to constrict, it increases your heart rate and blood pressure. It also puts you at risk for seizures, cardiac arrest, and death. The risk of sudden death is even greater if cocaine is combined with alcohol. Cocaine can be highly addictive, and prolonged cocaine snorting can irritate your nasal mucosa and damage your nose. Heroin is an opiate. It enters the brain very quickly, and this makes it particularly addictive. It is estimated that almost 1/4 of the people who try heroin become addicted. And over time, heroin users develop tolerance, which means that they need more and more drug in order to achieve the same results. This drug also makes you physically dependent on it, as your body adapts to its presence. This means that when people no longer have it, they experience horrible symptoms, including muscle and bone pain, diarrhea, and vomiting. Heroin also suppresses breathing, which is why using heroin always carries a risk of overdose and death. In a short amount of time, regular heroin use can cause infection of the heart and valves, liver disease, lung disease, hepatitis, and HIV or AIDS from needle use. MDMA or ecstasy is a synthetic drug that acts both as a stimulant and hallucinogenic. This drug will increase your heart rate and blood pressure. It can also cause tremors, muscle cramps, nausea, faintness, chills, sweating, and blurry vision. People who use MDMA are also at risk of dehydration. It interferes with the body's ability to regulate its temperature and puts people at risk of dangerous and sometimes fatal overheating. Clinical studies show that MDMA can be harmful to your brain and can increase the risks of long-term problems with memory and learning. Drugs and alcohol are dangerous. They are also addictive, and once you start using them, coming off them can be extremely hard. Before exposing your body to drugs, get informed and get the facts straight.